Hello, my wonderful chemistry students. Welcome to week 6 of remote learning. Before we dive in to what needs to be accomplished this week, I just want to say you guys are doing absolutely wonderful with that Flipgrid assignment where you're spreading sunshine. Just so it was made me so happy to see all the amazing things that you're doing. So thank you for doing that assignment. And if you haven't completed it yet, that's okay. Get it done. Send me an email letting me know you got it done, and then I'll get that graded. So really excellent work with that. And if you haven't, please go back and check out what everyone's doing. It's just nice to see some positivity and what all the creative ideas that you had. So thank you for being engaged in that. All right, so here's what needs to be accomplished this week. Here's when you head to Canvas and you go to our chemistry page, here's this week. This getting started link is a link to this video. So if you need to listen to it again, that's where it's going to be. And then we have a lecture and an assignment. Okay, so you need to watch the lecture. And when you watch this lecture, I need you to open up your notes and follow along and add to your notes. Okay, and then once you've completed the lecture, it's actually page 8 of your notes. That's going to be the assignment. So theoretically, it's already printed out, or you've already made the digital copy of it because you've already added to these notes from the Nearpod from last week. Okay, so you're going to watch the lecture, and then when you go to this assignment, I want to show you something that I've added. So it says you have page 8 of your notes, and there's, I think it was like 7 problems that you need to complete on page 8. And if you don't already have them printed, then you can download them here. And I've given you 3 different ways to download page 8. And so hopefully between the 3 options, at least one of them works for you. So this first one is just directly to the Google Doc. And then the next one is a link that sends you to the Google Doc, and then the third one is a PDF. Now the downfall with a PDF is that you can't digitally edit the assignment, but the upside is that they're easy to download, so if you're planning on printing it out, like that's an easy way to go about it. Okay, so use one of those avenues, and then we'll look at this assignment here. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions. Okay. So something that I would really appreciate if you are making a digital copy, could you either make what your answers are in a different color or a different font or some way that you can really distinguish between the question and the answer? That'd make it a lot easier for me to grade. Okay, so you will only be able to view this document. So here's how you make a copy that you can edit. You click on File and then Make a Copy. And when you click on that Make a Copy, then it will copy this document. It will put it into your Google Drive, and it's a copy that you can now edit digitally. So you, at that point, can go in and you can type your answers. Okay. Here's the second thing I want you to be aware of if you're working with this document digitally. These multiple choice questions are images or they are drawings, so you need to double click on them and then you can edit them from there. At that point, you can highlight whichever one you believe is the correct answer and change the color, or maybe you could just delete the other options and leave only the correct answer. Whatever works there. But that's how you'll have to do that, and then you'll just say save and close, and then your new saved one will be there. Okay, so for that and that's how you're going to have to go about working with those. So those are the items that are due at the end of the week. And so either print it, fill it out, take a picture of it, and submit it here, that picture, or fill it out digitally and then submit that digital filled out copy here, If you take pictures or you submit it with the last assignment, it's not so much a problem with this one, but for the last assignment, some of us only gave me 1 page instead of the front and back, like 2 pages. So be careful with that. Okay, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. We are going to have our Google Hangout meetings this week. I'm going to email those times. They're the same as last. Well, I guess we didn't meet last week, so it's the same as the week before. But I would like everyone to please make an effort to be there. I want to talk to you about how it has been decided that this is going to be the rest of the school year and what that means for us. So if you could please be there if possible, I'd appreciate that. If you cannot be there, please send me an email letting me know that. Okay, so I will email that schedule as far as the Google Hangout meetings go tomorrow morning, and I will also have this lecture video, which will just be a YouTube video I'll make of those slides. I'll have that ready to go tomorrow morning, because if I'm being completely honest, I don't want to go get all ready and make the video just to then get ready for bed. So I'm going to get up tomorrow morning and get ready and make that video for you and send you that email, so that this will be there tomorrow morning, and that email with the schedule for when we're going to meet as a class on Google Meets or Google Hangout or whatever it's called. You'll get that tomorrow morning. Okay guys, like always, if you have any questions at all, please email me. I'm quick to respond to those, and I will see you all Tuesday or Wednesday.